Okay, today we have a Range Rover in for an exterior detail, 4-stage buff, and it's having the super hydrophobic Fireball coating as well. We're also doing a product on the wheels to stop the brake dust sticking to the alloys, which is Inox. So let's just quickly go around and have a quick little look. So the car's got a couple of teething issues, nothing major. So we're going to buff it all up and then put our coating on, and it should totally transform the car. Should make it really shiny, easier to clean, and a deep gloss. Right, okay, so we've got this bit on the front bonnet. Someone has originally touched this in, and I don't know if you can see, but there are light scratch marks. So obviously we're going to have to remove this, sort out the scratch marks, and then re-dot them in, and then we'll put coating over the top. Other than that, it's going to look very nice once we're finished.
Right, so video 3. Right, so now the car's looking pretty nice. When we do a coating, one of the rules of thumbs we work by is we need to get the car pretty much as shiny as what most people would think when it's had a ceramic coating. I'll sort of reword that. I mean, in other words, the car needs to look like it's got a ceramic coating, so it needs to be that good before we then put on a ceramic coating, and then we really get the wow factor. And this is where we are with this particular car. It's had a 4 buff, because these big Range Rovers in the dark colours, they tend to show a lot of the scratches, and you get a near side, a lot of scratches, because the car has to go past other cars and dive into the trees most of the time, so you do get a lot of scratches on them. But now this has been 4 buffed. Yes, there are some scratches on it. Look, you know, you can see there across the top of that there. I don't know if you can see that in the reflection, but you know, that's me being fussy. The customer's going to want it looking really, really nice, and I can tell you that when the coating's on, it will be banging. Bit of a young term, but there you go. We'll make it look absolutely stunning. And so watch this space. Yeah, we're already getting there. Woohoo!
Here we go, end video on the Range Rover. It's had the 12 to 18 month super hydrophobic coating, as well as it's had a 4-stage buff as well, and a couple of cosmetics. So it's definitely bringing it back to life. So as we can see how shiny the panel work is. So I think the customer's going to be very happy.